My name is Todd Lipp. I'm the proud Executive Director of CARES in Farmington Hills. This property that we're on today is 10.5 acres of the most gorgeous place, I think, on earth. It's now the CARES Family Pantry. It's now our home for AA programs and WIC and so many other great organizations. This property is getting a lift that has been so needed for a long time.
I'm Ron Weingartz with Weingartz. We're here renovating Friendly Field at the CARES facility in Farmington Hills. So we got involved with CARES, probably 4 or 5 years ago now. They really started at grassroots, underserved area of the community. They have a great vision of this whole complex. It's a beautiful piece of property, but just needs a little bit of attention. We're the lawn and outdoor guys, so we figured we could help them with that part of it.
He said, we're going to fix up your ball field. I'm going to get some of our vendors, and Ventrac was the first one that I heard jumped on.
We do a lot of ball field training on our equipment, and we've seen a lot of pretty rough fields over the years. This one was pretty rough. It was pretty hard, so we brought the power rake out there first and kind of broke it up, lifted some of the weeds off of it, and then as you can see, we're bringing some dirt out onto it now.
We have a special material, it's called Slide Safe, so it's a safe material for kids to slide on.
And then we'll get the ball field groomer and renovator out there and finish it off. But I think even compared to some of those rough fields that we've done in the past, we can make this one look pretty nice.
We have a skid loader to spread the Slide Safe, and then we go back out with the field refinisher to kind of spread it and level it and make for the nice surface. So after we're done with the infield, we're going to come out and aerate and overseed the turf areas, because at the end of the day, Weingartz is all about turf. So we'll have a great infield, and with the overseeding, we'll have a great outfield as well.
So I was born and raised in this little part of town. I also, at times, would come out here and play ball with my buddies and stuff. But you know what? It was from softball to baseball to kickball, family picnics out here with fun kinds of things to do. The carnival used to be here. But the ball field was always Friendly Field. And Friendly Field has not had a facelift in a long time. These past 9 or 10 years, it just got old, and so we want to bring it back to life. And this partnership with Weingartz and Ventrac and everybody else that's been on, it's amazing.
But what I really love about what they've done is they have this don't say no attitude, and they're just making things happen and just done a lot in this community in a short time.
From the Forest Park Neighborhood Association to Ventrac and Weingartz and CARES, we thank you from the bottom of our heart and really appreciate all the effort and time that you've put into our community.
I'd like to say thank you to Weingartz, CARES, and Ventrac for the time they donated, the equipment, the resources, everything. This field's going to be a huge part of the community, and can't thank them enough.
CARES wants to make a difference. The corporations we work with want to make a difference. And by all of us working together, we'll give something back to the community that they so deserve. And that's our goal, is to give back to our communities.
From a neighbor point of view, I just want to say thank you, because if you build it, they will come.
Just want to send a huge thank you and gratitude to Weingartz and Ventrac for donating their time and the machinery to bring this field back to life.
I can't say enough good things about it, and the ability to have this donated is just a blessing to our community. I want to say thank you.